With CentrixOne, you can create custom filters to display only contacts or accounts that meet certain predetermined criteria. To use the Contacts or Accounts filters, first, click on the arrow to the right of My Filters at the top left of the contact list, and then add a filter. Filters are determined by criteria. These can correspond to the values entered in a field, information related to an opportunity, behavior towards a specific email, etc. In the following example, we use the type of income. Don't forget to give your filter a name so that it can be saved. You can use as many criteria as you want. If you apply more than one criterion, you can put conditions using common computer search terms and/or, like this. In this example, Criterion 1 and Criterion 2 must be true for the contact to be selected and displayed. As you can see here, you can have a lot of criteria with multiple combinations of conditions.